Working with clients and customers and students and people that are in my mentoring program and my coaching and consulting and training program. I'm working with people now who are making a couple $100,000 and who want to be millionaires. And I know they can accomplish it because they doing the right math. They setting proper goals, they planning correctly, and they putting their head down and they doing exactly what we did. It's the blueprint. And so I want to challenge you and really encourage you. Don't let what you ain't been able to accomplish discourage you. Just know that within the last 4 to 5 years since my wife and I have been on this millionaire journey, this wealth building journey, this financial freedom journey, shoot, people don't know how hard it's been the last 4. They definitely ain't got no clue how it was the first 14. So it's not easy. It's a major sacrifice. I'm saying that you got to build that muscle. And if you ain't got that muscle, you got to get around people who gonna hold you accountable and not give you permission to loaf. You can loaf when you get to the top. You can loaf when you got the bag. You can loaf when you can do what you want to do.